Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to move your contacts from Gmail to iCloud in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new iPhone, decluttering your digital life, or just syncing everything seamlessly, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Let's get started. First off, why do this? In 2025, with more integrated ecosystems, having your contacts in iCloud means they'll sync across all your Apple devices effortlessly. But before we jump in, make sure you have access to your Gmail account and an Apple ID. Got that? Great. Step 1. Export your contacts from Gmail. Head over to your Google Contacts page by going to contacts.google.com. Sign in if you haven't already. Once there, look for the Export option. It's usually under the More menu. Select all your contacts or just the ones you want, choose the vCard format, that's the most compatible, and download the file to your computer. Easy peasy. Next, import them into iCloud. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Contacts, then find the gear icon for settings. Select Import vCard and upload the file you just downloaded from Gmail. iCloud will do its magic and add those contacts in no time. Now, for a smooth transfer in 2025, double-check for any duplicates. iCloud has a merge feature. Use it to clean up your list. If you run into issues, like formatting errors, try exporting again in a different format or ensure your accounts are up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your contacts from Gmail to iCloud. This whole process should take less than 10 minutes. If you're new to this, remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.